we live in a world of bulls and of bears. And right now, if you look at the Nasdaq, the bears are really they're really pushing down, and the Nasdaq's been down for around 10 days. And personally, as a bull, I'm feeling it, and it's difficult to make money in this bear market. And if the bears keep on pushing down, I'm just going to get more and more frustrated and frustrated and frustrated and frustrated, and eventually I'm just going to be like, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up? This video is a little bit different because I'm going to start doing weekly videos. One, because there's more and more trades and I want to give more detail as I get more advanced in learning. And two, just because you guys seem to be really liking the content, so I just want to give you more of it. This invitation is to everyone out there, just to try and make this video a bit two-way, trying to make it a bit more interactive. See the contact details here, and this is to all all bags of water on this big blue planet, surrounded by fiery balls of gas. This is to everyone out there. Come and reach out to me. Ask me any questions on my email below. You can send them on my website. And I want this to kind of shape the future weekly videos of like what you want to hear from me, what you want to see, and kind of what questions you have. Because believe it or not, I don't have that many friends. I only made 3 trades this month. Down $119 so far. But like I say, I mean, something I realized this month, I need a lot more market experience. I need a lot more experience seeing how these moves manifest each other, and like, well, everything's really clicked in the last few months of like identifying patterns, like becoming self-sufficient, and spotting trends, and knowing what's a good pattern and a bad pattern, and knowing what's got a higher probability of working than not working. Pretty much all from Trader Checklist. Yeah, and by the way, if you're thinking about signing up with Timothy Sykes, I recommend Tim Sykes. I actually get a small referral. Sign up by clicking the link below. I will be inevitably grateful to you, and you can add me on Facebook, and I'll help you on your trading journey too. I'll be a personal contact with you if you want to sign up with Tim. But yeah, where were we? Yeah, I've never been feeling better. I originally started learning with Tim. Still, I've watched all of his DVDs. I was a Penny Stock Silver Service member, and it took 5 months, and I'm clicking now. I'm really clicking, but I need more market experience to become properly profitable. Like, I know it's a good trade and a bad trade, but I need to see the breakouts manifest more. I need to see the fake outs manifest more. I need to react more to the level 2, although I'm developing a good keen eye on level 2 now. And I need to get a bit more faster, a bit quicker at getting the right entry with the limit price, and know when to stop out, realizing that this line can often be a sign before the morning panic, and just becoming a bit more disciplined psychologically. But it's all fucking brilliant stuff. It's all brilliant. I feel fucking pumped up every day, and it's only getting better. Sorry for rambling, just got pretty pumped up. Here's the 3 trades that I made this week. I've kind of identified what I've learned on each one. I'll see you at the close. I'm dead sexy. Okay, let's have a look at the 6 month chart's pretty clean. Not too much like to look at. Same as the year. Didn't click. Yeah, there's nothing to look at. Just came and play lately. And I was watching Penny Stock and 1. Talking about a staircase pattern, I mean, this is kind of just much smaller. It's not like a long-term one. But it spiked, kind of held its gains, spiked, and kind of made a new high of day the next day. And then just on the 4th yesterday, I was like, it spiked around kind of, this looks like about 10 o'clock. And then here it washed out, but then it did kind of have a strong afternoon. And then, so I was just like, it's like, oh, when it drops here, washes out, hopefully it'll come back, or maybe it'll spike in the afternoon. But so I bought it in this area here. You can see around the 450s. and it just although you can't see it here, maybe if I have a 1 minute chart, um, it just kind of I tried to buy the washout and it just washed out even further, um, before kind of coming back and then fading way off. So I mean, yeah, not much to say. I mean, just looking back, I mean, the day before kind of washed out and didn't come back. Here it kind of, yeah. I mean, I just think I shouldn't have probably tried to buy the washout after the day before. But even if I did, just get out immediately and lose $14. Don't lose like fucking $60. Just cutting losses a little bit faster. I mean, I do cut them relatively quickly. This time I'll let it slide a bit. Just cut them a bit faster. God, if I keep on losing, I'm gonna have to do Scottish accents full time. This chart's a bit checkered. Horrible death drop, yeah. Um, it's a bit all over the place. Uh, Not the best chart to play. I was just a bit pissed from losing earlier, so I ran home from work to try and make some money back. And this was like kind of overextending, and you always think like that's not gonna go down this. So yeah, I was like, but I'll be clever and I'll buy the dip. And I should just never buy dips ever because I bought the washout in the chart before and it just fucked us. And then I bought the dip and it just fucked us. But I was like, oh, I'll buy the dip, but I'll wait for a bit of green movement. So I bought the dip and then I waited for these green candles. Yeah, and I was like, this is clever. And then it just washed out again. I was like, it just made a lower high, and I was like, fuck, just don't buy dips ever again. Like it just doesn't be just buy breakouts and that's it. And I think that I thought was be better strategy. Uh, yeah. CRBP closes the week. 6 month chart is clean. Last few months, kind of very clean. A couple of red days, but a lot of green days in a row, and it's obviously spiking again here. I thought I was being kind of smart, because like you can see I mean, it's not the most amazing technical analysis, but you can see the previous higher day, 950, or just yeah, in the 950s, and then it's like being smart, and I was like, I'll wait till it convincingly breaks 950s. So I like kind of bought it in the 60s, and I got right at the bottom of the 60s, and watched it go up to kind of the 70s, and I was like, this is good, convincing breakout. 70, like maybe even as far as like near the 80s, and I was like, this is good. It's a good breakout, like 20 cents up on the trade, which is not a lot, but I was like, I could. It's up. Was up like maybe 20% at the time, maybe 25. I mean, if it's up 24 now, it's up about 35% at the time. I was like, that could be 50% up this. And then of course, and then there was this like one seller all at once. Like someone must have dumped like literally 140,000 shares, 146,000 shares. Oops, just put loads of lines on. And I was just like, I don't know how the fuck that happened. Like someone just like loads of shares got dumped all at once, and I was like, and it just reversed the trend. And I was just like, well, and I just got out straight away for a small loss. I think what I'd do differently next time is like, next time I'm buying in, on the breakout, in the like say the 960s, yeah, as soon as it moves up to like 970, I just put a stop loss at 965 on, just because it's like if it's not going to convincingly carry on breaking out, just get out. So like say even if you make 5 cents a share, you only lose like $5 because you get some of your commission money back for ending the trading profit. But wraps up a sad week. 3 losses. Two were because I shouldn't have dip bought. One is because I bought the breakout and there was a big seller coming by the look of it. But long term chart is fine. And I'm glad I got out because I mean, look how much you could have lost. I mean, there's potential to lose $1 a share, which is like a couple of $100 loss. But my loss was like $20 or something. So like you can see how like a lot of people will lose a lot of money, and for me it's like I have the discipline to get out because I've kind of learned from the past that if you're wrong a little bit, the chances are you're definitely wrong, and you have the potential to be wrong a lot in terms of your balance. So the minute the trade looks like it's a tiny bit going wrong, just get out. Yeah, hello. Is this trade a rehab? Yeah. I think I'm beginning to develop an addiction again. Yeah, that's a wrap. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully, I'm going to be a lot more disciplined this week. You can never say never. And some people on YouTube are like, dude, it's like you like losing money. And I'm like, I don't like losing money. I hate losing money. I feel fucking sick going to bed at night when I lose money. But hopefully, I'll be giving you guys some profits. My liver's actually a little bit sore because I ran into the punch bag when I ran into that thing for this video. This is what I do for you guys. Keep the comments, keep the suggestions. Here's my contact details again. Check out Stephen Johnson's stocks. I could never say that.com. Let me refer you to Tim if you need broker or equity advice. Like, this is the only way I make any money from anything, and it doesn't cost you any more for signing up with Tim through me. Just means I get a referral. Because I don't make any money. Like, I'm down 1,000 plus. Like, I am losing, but it's okay because anything worth having is worth waiting for. I understand it's going to take about a year. I'm on a fucking cool journey and I've never been happier, and I want you to be happier too. Or just be like Gary the Goat. If you don't know Gary the Goat, look up Gary the Goat from Australia. If you watch the whole video, I want you to write Ibiza. Ibiza I've never been, but I wish I went. And just, I'll see you next week. Come talk to us, ask us questions, add us on Snapchat. I'm live trading all the time. Like, I don't want to say bye. I don't want to say bye. Because fucking, this is one thing that I really love that I've got with you guys, but I have to. So, here it goes. I'll see y'all later.